Hello students, in this video tutorial I am going to explain step by step how to take the English teacher evaluation. First of all, you must enter your favorite internet browser. In my case, it is Google Chrome, as you can see. Then, in the search engine, you must write this, lauemprende.com. Once here, you must click and enter the student English portfolio. On this page, we will proceed to enter our username and password for our portfolio. In the case of students, the username must always have the capital letter E at the beginning. Once we enter, we must carry out the evaluation of our teacher. The evaluation consists of 20 clearly written questions to be able to evaluate our teacher without problem. First question. Once we complete question 20, we click again on the last question and then the evaluation button will appear. And we click. Finally, we will return to the beginning and the process will be finished. Please remember that these surveys are 100% anonymous. Only our administrative staff has access to the results. If you or another person you know has been influenced by a third party to complete the survey, do not hesitate to contact the address of the Academic Language Center, directoridiomas@lauemprende.com.